5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dropping. What's up guys, Christian here, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy S9. God, it's been a long time since we do a video guys, but the day is finally here. You guys have requested it on the comments, you can see all these comments here. I'm very curious to find out what happens to this phone after a 1,000 foot drop. Will it survive? Let's find out. Right? Alright guys, so we're ready to take off. Here we have the Inspire 2, that's the drone we're gonna use. And as you can see in the bottom, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is attached. So here we go. Here we have it guys. Let's go up all the way to 1,000 feet. Let's roll. Everything looks good. It's a little bit windy, more than usual, but everything else looks quite good, so we're still going up. I'm gonna go to the left and I'm gonna stay there. Okay, I'm there. That's the position we're gonna drop it. Here we go guys. By the way guys, something very quick. We're doing a giveaway of a Samsung Galaxy S9 or an iPhone 8, doesn't matter, whichever you want. To enter the giveaway, simply leave a comment on this video, be a subscriber, and follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna announce the winner through Instagram. More details in the description down below. Thank you and keep watching. We're gonna drop it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dropping. It's dropping, it's dropping. Whoa. It landed right here. You can see here. The back is completely shattered. It's starting to rain guys, so it was just in time. The phone is fully bent. I'm gonna turn it around and we're gonna find out what happened. Yeah, the SIM card is about to fall off. We're gonna flip it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I think it's destroyed.
It's completely destroyed.
This phone is dead. You can see it's completely bent, but we're gonna get it cleaned up and we're gonna see what was the final result of this drop test. But so far, it doesn't look that good. All right guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is after the drop. As you can see here, the glass is fully cracked, the display is not working, the back is cracked also, the back is made out of glass. The phone is also a little bit bent. If you can see here, the frame is a little bit bent. The frame is very strong, so in order to bend, it means that the phone took a really hard hit. But the phone is a survivor guys, you're not gonna believe this, but the phone is still working. I just connected it to the computer, it's working, the phone turns on, makes sounds, the phone can receive calls, the speakers work. In fact, I'm gonna show you, if we turn on the phone, you can listen and you can hear that the phone is fully working. The screen is damaged of course because it landed on the front, but to be honest, very little phones will survive a drop from that height. So the camera is still working, the finger sensor is fully working, the flash is alright, the phone is still alive and it's able to receive calls, and overall it is a very strong phone. We give this phone an extreme durability test score of 6.3. I'm amazed by the durability of this phone. Even though the screen got destroyed, it is a very, very strong phone. Samsung has a great reputation for creating strong phones, and the Samsung Galaxy S9, it's not an exception. All right guys, so there you have it. That was the Samsung Galaxy S9 drop test. Feel free to follow me on Instagram to see behind the scenes and exclusive footage never seen before. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.